In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record personal expenses and owner draws in QuickBooks Online. When you're a business owner, it's really common to accidentally pay for something personal using your business bank account, or to transfer money from the business to yourself. The key is to record these correctly so your books stay clean and your reports make sense. I'll walk you through both situations step by step. Let's start with how to record a personal expense that was paid out of your business account. First, head to your bank feed in QuickBooks Online and locate the transaction that you know is personal. This might be something like groceries, a personal subscription, or a household bill. It's important that you do not exclude this transaction. Instead, we're going to properly categorize it so your bank balance matches and your accounting stays accurate. Next, look at the payee or vendor for that transaction. If the person or company isn't already in your system, add the owner's name as a payee or vendor. This helps you clearly see later which items were personal and linked to the owner, instead of mixing them in with your normal business vendors. Now it's time to choose the right category. In the category or account field, select an equity type account such as Owner's Draw or Owner's Personal Expenses if you already have one set up. This tells QuickBooks that this is not a business expense. It's money the owner took out of the business for personal use. If you don't see an appropriate account in your chart of accounts, create a new equity account and name it Owner's Draw. Be sure the type is equity, not expense. Once the category is set, review the details, then save and close the transaction. That personal purchase is now correctly recorded as money taken by the owner rather than a deductible business expense. Now let's look at how to record an actual owner draw, which is simply money the owner takes from the business, usually as a check or transfer. In QuickBooks Online, click the New button and select Check. This creates a new check transaction in the system, even if you're not physically printing a paper check. Set the payee as the owner's name so it's clear who the money went to. In the category or account field, again choose the Owner's Draw equity account. Enter the amount of the draw based on what was taken from the business. After confirming the date, bank account, and amount, click Save and Close. That draw is now properly tracked as an equity withdrawal, not as a business expense.